Hey, what's up, guys? Back with another video. It's been grateful to be here. Back here on another Sunday, trying to have a Sunday breakdown. Last week was a break-even week for me. A few trades that could have put me above in profit were missed, obviously, because they were in different sessions. They happened. There were setups that I, planned for it to happen, and the setups that I was looking forward to happening, didn't. It played out exactly how I said it was going to play out. But the fact that I'm trading mainly just New York session. And sometimes if I see an entry on the Asian session, I'll probably just enter and hold it overnight. But mostly it's just New York session. And those other trades, the setups played exactly how I said it was going to happen. And it was, you can watch my previous videos, and it happened during London sessions. Okay, but for now, Sunday breakdown, these are the pairs I'm looking at. I'm looking at EURGBP, NAS100, GBP, NTD, USDCAD, BTC possibly, GBP, CHF, and USDCH, you know, USDCHF. Okay, so let's break down from EURGBP what I'm looking at. Okay, so obviously let's go based on the monthly. I'm looking at longer term moves. Okay, so based on the monthly, I'm still looking at this huge rejection here. This huge rejection is quite interesting here. This huge rejection, which shows that it's a lot of selling pressure, but at the same time, if you look at current market structure, it's kind of confusing. It's the fact that currently on the monthly, we're pushing. It's like we're pushing bullets. You know what I'm saying? And plus the fact that the moving average is underneath. The fact that the moving average is crossing underneath price, that's another significant where it's just like, damn, okay, the monthly is possibly bullish. It might come up to fill this entire wick. But still being kind of cautious, you know. Let's go on the weekly. What is the weekly saying? The weekly is saying hella bulls, bro. That's what the weekly is saying. The weekly is saying, bro, we're going to the upstairs. We're going upstairs. Right now you see this engulfing. So you could probably see small retest to go further to the upside. So, the weekly is bullish. The daily is not so okay. So the daily hasn't crossed over this, this peak that I'm looking forward to the crossover. This peak right here. The fact that it didn't cross over this peak yet, I still see the daily as bearish. But ultimately based on the money and the weekly, looking for a bullish, variation to the upside. Okay, so now honestly based on the 4 hour, the bullish move I'll be looking forward to have is like if the price broke out of this area, I'm looking for price to break this area here, retest for possible, upside move. Price could actually break this level here and use it as a form of support, this area here, and use it as a form of support. You know what I'm saying? Then I'll look for, because this is the daily high. You see right here, this is the daily high. It hasn't really closed above the daily high yet, but if it closes above the daily high and retest, then I know for a fact that the daily is bullish now, because this is the last peak. Look at this, just look at this. The daily was going bearish. You see? This is the last lower high. So common sense would tell you that we're looking to go upstairs, it have to close above, retest, and then further move, look for a further move to the upside. So as of right now, it's not ready. It's not ready. Price is definitely not ready to go bullish yet. But market could literally just open and then come right here and just show a strong, close above here. And if it comes here retest, then we'll look for a further, continuing to the bull side. But bearish is highly unlikely, but I do keep this area. I have kept this area here. So in case price possibly comes down, we'll possibly look for a bearish move, but most likely what I'm really looking forward to is I'm looking forward to mostly buys upon EURGBP. So just say let's write this down here. Buys possibility, playability, whatever. Okay, so now let's go to NAS100. NAS100, based on the monthly time frame. Give me 1 second. Okay, so this level, obviously you see the monthly is showing us bearish vibes. You can see this level of, the level of support being formed right here. Weekly, same thing. For it to go bullish is where I would say I would be looking for buys. Obviously, I'm still looking for bears, but it'd have to be above this level right here. You know what I'm saying? But as of right now, you see the price is significantly below these levels here and closing below these levels, pushing and making lower lows. So bearish, everything is giving me bearish vibes. And now you see even the daily is also bearish. When price came here, it gave a bullish vibe, and it came here close. And I'm looking for a retest of this level to continue off to the downside. That is what I'm looking for. Level right here, the strong level. 4 hour, same thing. Bearish vibes, everything is showing color bears. So that's what I'm mainly looking for. I'm looking for a bearish, bearish move. Everything just seems very, very bearish to me. Yeah, so then I'm looking for this to happen right here. This is what I'm looking for to happen. Come here, retest this level, and then eventually come down to this level. That's it now. The GBP and GD. The price could actually okay, based on the monthly, let's see what the monthly is giving us. The monthly is giving us mixed signal. Obviously, the monthly has been consolidating for the longest. So I don't even know. Monthly, weekly is what? Weekly came here. So bears on the weekly. We think so bears. Daily says what? Daily says bears. 4 hours says bears. If I can just get a retest of a specific level, then I'll probably look to sell it. I'm not too sure. I'll just sell it to the bottom. Kind of iffy. UCAD, simple market structure, monthly, not that clear. Weekly, the prices on the reversal stage on the weekly because it's engulfing. The daily, price finally closed below this level, showing that the daily is bearish. 4 hour, bearish. 2 hour, bearish. You're just looking for a possible entry on this level. And we can sell it down to this area or lower, and then lower, and then lower, and then lower. You know what I'm saying? BTC USD. Monthly, based on the BTC USD, the monthly is bearish. Weekly, high, price broke below here. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of weird. I don't know. Daily. I don't know. It's mostly looking like sells to me. So if price comes below this level, I'll be looking forward to sell it down. Just based on the current market structure, I'll look to sell it down to this area. But not too interested in that either. UPCHF. Price came to this level. Finally, a break and a retest. Finally, price finally came in for a break and a retest of this level. Common structure, bro. Look at the weekly. The price is bouncing on top of this level for the longest. Finally broke it. Now it's retesting this level. You know what I'm saying? And it could possibly drop some more. So daily, what is daily showing us? Daily is showing us that it's still kind of bullish because price has not broken this level, so it's still bullish. As soon as price breaks this level, then I could see that daily is bearish, and then a 4 hour could be bearish as well, and then the 2 hours could be bearish as friggin' well, and then the 1 hour it could be hella bearish, and then we could just drop down to this level where we could actually get a retest of this level and then a possible sell. But it's all dependent on this level right here. USDCHF. If price drops below this area, based on the monthly, let's see what the monthly is giving us. The monthly is giving us, obviously price been going bullish. Weekly, price came to this level. It hasn't fully broken this level, so I'm not sure if I'm about to buy yet. I'm possibly looking to buy. Daily. Yeah, price literally just came here and just gave a strong engulfing. But for me to buy, the price would have to break above this level and then retest, and now look for buy. But for me to look for bears, price would just have to break below here, retest this daily, lower high, higher low, and moving average form over to me to sell it. But as of now, it's looking bullish. And because bullish, that means CHF could be weak, and if CHF is weak, it could turn and end up going bullish too. So we all see what's going on. But that's about it, guys. But love you guys. Be safe. These are the main pairs I'm looking at. EURGBP, NAS100, USDCAD. in particular, these top two would be the ones I would be more specifically looking at and just monitoring these and seeing what's going on. But besides that, like you got